Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to WPNN. My name is Francie.
And my name is Helena. It's an awesome day to be a Panther.
Thank you to everyone that participated in Red Ribbon Week this week.
Do you need to take the Armed Service Vocational Aptitude Battery Test? The ASVAB is being given on Thursday, November 9th in the auditorium from 8:45 a.m. to 11:45 a.m.
To sign up, use the link in the sophomore, junior, or senior Google Classroom or go to Google Forums shown here.
Panthers. Heritage will be hosting a blood drive on November 7th. The blood drive will be at Heritage High School from 8:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Students from ages 16 to 18 and over will be allowed to donate.
If you're interested in donating blood, sign up in Coach Shelley's room 6114. Both a signed parental consent form and school permission form will be required.
Students, are you in need of community service hours? Well, listen up. Here's a way to earn community service hours and have some fun. Elite Fitness Center is looking for volunteers their trunk or treat tomorrow from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m.
There will be food, games, contests, candy, and music. They need 4 to 5 students to help and will give community service hours. If you're interested, please see Coach Kinsley in room 6217.
In Heritage Club News, first priority will no longer be meeting before school on Fridays. They have good news though. First priority will be meeting every Friday during all 3 lunches in the auditorium lobby starting today.
They hope to see you in a safe place where any and everyone is loved and welcome. Also, did we mention they will have pizza? Perhaps a short game and fellowship.
Go check out Pastor Britt, Amanda, and the rest of the crew as they kick off their first priority lunchtime meetings. It will be a great way to end the week and kick off the weekend.
It's great to see so many students with heritage attire on today.
Please join us tonight for our home varsity football game against Harmony High School. Kickoff is at 7 p.m. We will see you there.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!